just shake it. Hello, good afternoon, good evening, or good morning. Depende kung anong oras nyo pinapanood to. So for today, we'll be cooking beef ampalaya in oyster sauce. So I'll show you a technique kung saan hindi masyado magiging mapait yung ampalaya without having to soak it in water with salt. Kasi I believe na de-drain yung nutrients if we do that. So to start off, we have our usual bawang sibuyas. Then of course, beef with ampalaya will not be complete without beef and ampalaya. And of course, whatever favorite oyster sauce that you have. And then we also have yung pepper for our seasoning and soy sauce to taste. Okay. So, gayat na yung bawang sibuyas. So, next is ito namang beef cuts na to. Hiwain natin siya ng manipis, or rather strips, and then we'll put that in a container. So, nahugasan ko na to kanina. Ano ko na lang siya. Cut ko na lang siya. Kung wala kayong makuhang beef na ganito kanipis yung pantapa, I think this will also work with dun sa mga kamto. Pwede rin namang ground beef. So here's our beef. Next, we will chop our bittergourd or ampalaya. So to make things simpler, we will divide it into several sections. And then we will get a spoon to scoop out yung fleshy part here. So after washing, we'll then proceed to chop this diagonally. So ninipisan lang natin.
A few moments later.
Okay, so now that our pan is dry and heated up, so lagay tayo ng konting oil. So what I'm doing is I'm blooming the pepper so that the natural oils will be extracted. Then I'll put in our onions and garlic. This is fairly easy to cook. Even if wala kayo masyado experience sa pagluluto, madali lang ito. Now that medyo translucent na, we can add in our beef. Nagdating ako dun sa pepper. Don't worry, hindi ko nabahangan to. Okay, I think that's cooked enough. So next we'll add in our soy sauce. So to taste. Let it cook for a bit and then stir a bit. So now the soy sauce and the natural juices of the beef and the spices we put in earlier is nag-infuse with each other. We'll add in our oyster sauce. So again, wala na eksaktong measurement yan. So to taste yan, tansya-tansya. Yeah, I think I'll add more. Okay, and then we will lower the heat. Stir it up a bit. And in goes our secret technique para hindi pumait yung ulam natin kahit na merong ampalaya. Okay? So this is a secret. So here's sa ampalaya. Yan pa rin yung pagkakachop kanina. We have it soaked in water. So what we'll just do is top this off. Okay. Add a bit of water. Siguro, konti lang yan. Siguro mga 3 to 4 tablespoons lang yan. Just enough for the ampalaya to cook. And this is the important part. So once it's in there, do not do anything with it. Huwag nyo hahaluin. Takpan nyo lang hanggang maluto. The moment na hinalo nyo yan, saka siya papait at papait yung buong sabaw. So just cover it, wait for it until it gets cooked. So So our ampalaya has been here for about 5 minutes. We're not doing anything, so as I've said, wag haluin ng sandok. So to get that even cook, you just shake it. And let's see. Let's taste it. Matamis. Walang pait. So maybe a couple more minutes for the ampalaya to cook yung mga nandito sa taas. Okay, so tossing it up some more. Here we go. The tuna. Ang ating beef with ampalaya. So, in oyster sauce. So, no cornstarch. Hindi rin natin hinugasan sa asin at tubig ang ating ampalaya. So, all natural. And look how vibrant yung pagka-green ng ating ampalaya. Andyan pa rin yung sustansyang hinahabol natin. So, di ba madali lang siyang gawin. So, try nyo na rin magluto nito sa inyong mga bahay. So, until next video, so enjoy and keep safe everyone. Bye-bye!